Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing about fourth chapter climate. In that today's topic climatic controls. How the climate will be controlled by a naturally. There are six major controls of the climate of any place. So they are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features. So one by one we'll discuss. That is, first one is latitude. The amount of the solar energy received the varies according to a latitude. So as the result of the latitude, the air temperature it will be decrease towards to the equator, towards to the pole. From the equator towards to the pole, the temperature will be decreases. And one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitudes. The atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. So when the surface of the earth, when the higher altitude, so the atmosphere it will becomes the less dense and the temperature decreases. And these areas where hills are there, the generally during the summers they are cool. The coolers, that is usually when we see in the summer season, everyone will be visit a hill station because of this only. It will be very cooler compared to the other places. The pressure and wind, this system, the any areas depend upon the altitude and altitude of the place. The particular places of it is depends upon the where they are having altitudes. The influence of the temperature and the rainfall pattern, it will be shows all these things. And the moderating influencing about on a climatical condition, that is a distance of the sea. So distance of the sea increases and it's a moderating influence decreases, and the people experience extremely weather condition. That is in a we can discuss here some examples with of coastal areas. So the where the coastal lines are there, we can see the higher moderation, that is a moderates. um, it is sticky climates, we can tell. That is the whole day they will feel very hot, yes, and in evening pleasant cool they will experience, and heavy rainfall they will receive in that coastal lines. And where a very dense forest are present, there also same experience they will get because of evaporation of a water vapor. And these conditions also is known as these conditions were in during the hot in a summer and very cold in a winter season. So ocean currents along with the on shores winds affects the climate of the coastal areas. For example, they given that is a coastal areas with the warm or a cold currents flowing the past it, and will be warmer and cold if the winds are on shore. So in the beaches, when we see that ocean currents, uh, ocean currents the higher and the lower, that is especially in coastal lines we can see those things. The finally refill refliff, the two plays a major role in the determining the climate of a place. High mountains act bearers of the cold and the hot winds. So, in where the hill are there, the more hills we can experience uh, hot and cold winds in that areas. And along with that, the path of the rain, the bearing the winds in these areas. So totally here these six major controls of climate of any place: uh, latitude, altitudes, and the pressure and wind, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief. So these all already were learnt in a previous classes. So only the highlight they are given. So only the few explanation they are given in this uh, climate chapter. For reference, you can refer a textbook of NCERT. Thank you.